to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you a Goan masala, that is Recheado masala, where we can use this Recheado masala in multi-purpose, and that's why I am trying to make it in quantity, and then I will show you what we can do out of this in later. So first of all, we need 100 grams of Kashmiri red chili. So it is like around in 50 numbers, but if you weigh it, then it is 100 grams Kashmiri red chili. And these are not spicy, these are for color. Okay. Then second thing what we need is, we need like this onion. So I have taken like one big onion, and this is like one small onion, medium you can say. So 1.5 onions we need, and this we are going to roast it on the fire. Okay. Then we need a ball of tamarind. Okay. Then we need 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Okay. 40 garlic cloves. These are 40 garlic cloves. Then we need around 5 inches of ginger. So if you catch inches, then it is like this. 1, 2. So like this I have counted, and it is all 5 inches of ginger. Okay. Then we need around like, you can use sugar or jaggery. So I'll be using jaggery. That is 1 teaspoon of jaggery, or if you want more, then 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Okay. Then we need around like turmeric powder, which is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now here comes the dry masalas. So these are like 8 cinnamon sticks, 8 cinnamon sticks, and so we are taking around peppercorns will be 30 peppercorns, black peppercorns is 30, and 15 of these cloves. Okay. Then we will be adding around salt, that is 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Vinegar, any vinegar, whatever vinegar is available in the market, you can add it to grind it to paste. No adding water. So now if you got the masalas, please take a look close by. So this is like Kashmiri red chilies with a non-spicy, but it is for color. So 50 numbers and 100 grams in weight. This is tamarind ball. This is cumin, 2 tablespoons of cumin. This is 5 inches of ginger. And these are our garlics, which are 40 in number. Then this is around 30 of peppercorns and 15 of cloves, 8 of cinnamon sticks. Salt you have to add, and turmeric powder is 1 teaspoon. Okay. So now we will have to grind this. So now let's roast this onion. So I will roast masala, but I am going to grind this more into fine coarse. I want more. So I have basically used 3 of this, so of vinegar. So you see while grinding how much you need, and accordingly you all add. So I will be adding now little bit of more vinegar to this and grind it, because I need it a fine paste. Okay. So here is my masala ready. Okay, it is, this Recheado masala is ready. So here it is, rich in color. It will be used for many things. So, and I've got it in a lot of quantity. So nice fine paste, and I will preserve this and use this for many purposes. So hope you will enjoy this, and coming videos you will see how to add or use this masala. Okay, welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार माझ्या cooking channelaचे. देव बरे करू तुमचे comments लागून. So today I'm going to show you again another dish, that is recheado tuna. Now this is not bangda, this is tuna. If you know fish to recognize, then you will know that this is tuna. Okay, this is like small size of tuna. You can take bigger size, and I'm going to show you again. For this is recheado fry. Apply salt, and as you'll have made, see, because it is so soft, we'll apply our recheado masala to this gently. Turn it gently again. मसालो मस्त बरो घालात. एका मी आता भाजून घेऊया. अगेन हांव एका लागून बुगडी, it goes well with mustard oil. So I will fry with mustard oil. So again I am saying this is not bangda, not mackerel. This is tuna fish, and in Konkani we call it bugdi. So today's Konkani word for you all to learn the fish name in Konkani for tuna fish is bugdi. Okay. So let's add oil, and then we'll fry this and enjoy. See, recheado masala is all-purpose masala, and you can make loads of things out of it. Stay tuned and learn different types of recheados. Curry leaves, optional. And fry this. No flame. It looks exactly like banglo, but it is not banglo. Let's turn this now. Hope you all will enjoy this bugdi, that is bugdi to recheado fry, and in English it is tuna fish recheado fry. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं.